Hi guys and welcome to Lake Como. Mountains that plunge into the lake, elegant villas that have become a retreat for Hollywood actors, small historic villages. Lake Como has seduced its visitors for centuries. This lake, on the border with Switzerland and not far from Milan, is considered among the most beautiful lakes in the world, and to better organize your trip, in this video you will find some ideas to understand what you cannot miss. Varenna is the village that I liked the most, because of the ups and downs of Alice and its characteristic colorful houses. Here don't miss the Lovers' Walk. Menaggio is the most important center on the western coast of Lake Como, as well as having a romantic atmosphere. If you are a bicycle lover, the only path that can be traveled safely is the one that goes from Menaggio to Sorico, crossing breathtaking landscapes. In the description of this video you'll find a link to download the GPX track we followed. Menaggio is also an unmissable destination, easily reachable by ferry from Varenna. The town divides the lake into the Como and Lecco branches, and to enjoy the two views I suggest you take the short path up to Pescallo. If you have time left over, two other beautiful places to visit are Nesso and its cobbled streets, and Cernobbio, an 18th century fishing village that has now become an international tourist center. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.